Hey all, good morning. So today I will be showing you my drumstick tomato curry, which I really love, and it's not tough to make. It's very easy. And let's see what's the ingredients we need. We need drumstick. You have to cut them into these kind of small pieces and peel them off. Few people don't like to eat the outer side of this drumstick, so you can peel entirely, but it has a lot of nutrition, so I don't remove it. So that's there. And you need 2 green chilies. You can cut into slices, or you can long slices, however you desire. You need 2 onions. You need few tomatoes, 5 to 6. You don't need much. These are not hybrid, so these are very tiny, so I'll be using 6 tomatoes. And you need coriander little bit, and then you need chili powder. You need salt. You need cumin seed, poppy seeds, and urad dal for sauteing, and then you need some oil. So these are the main ingredients. Let's see how we can do it. I slice the onions to these small slices, and also tomatoes. So अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ज़्यादा चिली भी डाल सकते हैं, because I'm using more chili powder, so I'm not using much chilies. And yes, let's just start. So I am taking this pan to make the curry, and I'll just put it low flame. Oh, also you need some curry leaves. Pan is hot. I'll put some oil, like 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Some cumin seeds, poppy seeds. Some cumin seeds, and then I'll put this urad dal, the seeds. I'll put curry leaves. To make sure you put it far from away because it is flatter. And then I'll put chili, onion, onions to cook quickly. You can add a little bit of salt. Now it's brown in color, so I'll add tomatoes to it. Haldi, salt, the garlic paste, wait for 10 minutes.